3-1, the distributive property. This is a new sort of operation. We did properties back in chapter 1, and we had some relatively easy ones. This property, the distributive property, gets its own section. It's probably the most important property you're going to use. It's a very easy process. On the right-hand side, typed in black, multiply the number on the outside of the parentheses by each item inside the parentheses. So, if we actually we have 2 times 4 plus 6. We're going to multiply the 2 by the 4, and 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down the addition, and we're going to multiply the same 2 by 6 and get 12. For the purposes of today's work, I don't want you to add the 8 and the 12 together. Leave them alone. Once you get this far, you're done. Don't go any further. This is the distributive property. We take the number outside parentheses and multiply it by each item inside the parentheses. Doesn't look too useful with this because you could actually add the 8 and the 12 together and get 20, but we're not going to worry about that. What's really important is what happens when we get a problem that looks like this. 2 times m plus 4. We don't know what the variable m is, so we can't combine the m and the 4 inside the parentheses. We're just not allowed to. So we're going to use the distributive property to simplify this. And we're going to multiply 2 by both items inside the parentheses individually. So first we have 2 times m, which gives us 2m. It's addition inside the parentheses, so we'll keep it addition as we move on. And then finally we will do 2 times the second number, which is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So 2 times m plus 4 can be simplified to 2m plus 8. Next board, negative 7 times a plus 1. Simply adding negatives into this type of a problem. We're going to distribute the negative 7 to both items in the parentheses. So negative 7 times a is negative 7a. It's addition. It will stay addition. And then we have negative 7 times positive 1 is going to give us negative 7. So negative 7 times a plus 1 is simplified to negative 7a plus negative 7. Next example here, we have 20 plus 9 in parentheses times 5. Simply moving the number outside parentheses to the other side. You're just going to do distributive property in the other direction. 5 times 20 is 100. Bring down the addition because the problem was addition to begin with. And 5 times 9 is 45. We're not going to simplify things any further. We're going to leave them just like that. Please don't make any more changes. Last example for the day, we have 6 times, and in parentheses, 2 plus m plus 5. This is just lengthening the process. You're going to distribute the 6 to the 2. 6 times 2 is 12. It's addition. It stays addition. Now we're going to distribute the 6 to the m. 6 times m is 6m. It was addition there. It will bring it down again. And then finally we distribute the 6 to the 5. 6 times 5 is 30. And that's it. The distributive property. Your homework today is going to be book page 101, problems 12 through 50, the evens.